These joint venture partners, drawing together Total, Tullow and CNOOC, are yet to secure their final investment decision, a vote from their shareholders and financiers, to move into the commercial stages of oil production.
They have to harmonize that aspect of the technology. The second is the issue of the farm down between Tullow to Total. That has equally affected the timing. The delay and the hiccup Uganda had in the bidding for the refinery has equally posed a hurdle to the IOCs finally getting to that final investment decision.
Among other issues that the partners have been harmonizing is that of technology to be deployed in linking the oil rigs to the central processing facility before out to the pipeline or refinery. And at the end of the second round of licensing, the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development has underscored the need for advanced technologies in order to maximize the harnessing of the oil resource.
Who amongst them is well prepared, has the technology which is sensitive to the environment that we are operating in? Remember, the two licenses are stratigraphically, meaning it's not the normal horizontal demarcations, but this time it's vertical. They even told you it is under the water. So that calls for technology by Orlando Petroleum to be applied.
Still at the investment front, the commissioning of the construction of the East African crude oil pipeline from Hoima to the port of Tanga in Tanzania has continued to attract many investors into the sector, notably the British, Asian and French investors, keen on the midstream and lower segments of Uganda's lucrative resource.
What are the guidelines in order to understand how we as importers and foreign companies have to prepare ourselves?
On the website, I've seen a version with 500 companies, so I wondered if there is a date for publication of the updated list of companies approved for the NSD 2018.
And the social requirements and the status of what you would expect from foreign companies in terms of environmental and social requirements.
The Uganda National Oil Company and the Petroleum Authority are insisting that joint ventures with local companies must be at the pinnacle of prospects by international companies.
We have them well stipulated in the laws. We expect you to be within those targets. At technical level, how many should be Ugandans? At managerial, how many should be Ugandans? At non-technical or support, we expect, I think, 100% to be Ugandans. So for employment, we have them in the laws.
With Uganda's 6.5 billion barrels of proven commercial deposits of crude oil, Tanzania and Uganda have since agreed to construct the 1,445-kilometer pipeline from the oil fields in Hoima to Chongoleni village in Tanga worth $3.5 billion. Reina Ojon, NTV.